Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace the brake light bulb and the turn signal bulbs in Volvo XC40. Inside the trunk you will see two covers, one on the left side and one on the right side. You will need to remove them to access the bulbs. To remove the cover you have to press on top of it and it will come out. Underneath you will see the insulation, you can just move it to the side, and below the insulation you will see two bulbs. The one on the left, the black one that you can see right now, is our brake light, and the one on the right with the spring bolt hidden behind the spring bolt is our turn signal bulb. To replace the turn signal bulb, first we will need to remove this spring bolt. Simply turn it counterclockwise all the way. Then you have to press on two pins on the sides of this plastic bridge, on the sides like that, and it will come out. Now you have to turn the base of the bulb counterclockwise, take it off, and this is our bulb. To take it out you have to push it inside first and then turn counterclockwise. This is our turn signal bulb. To install the new bulb, align it first, then you have to push and turn clockwise. Now the whole assembly goes in same way. Again turn it clockwise, and now it's time to reinstall the bracket. Align the bracket and then turn the bolt clockwise until it doesn't turn anymore. This is enough. The removal of the brake light is more straightforward. You simply need to turn it counterclockwise and then you will be able to remove the bulb. To take it out, again you need to push the bulb in and then turn counterclockwise. And this is how our brake light lamp looks like. You will see two metallic bumps on the lamp, which are actually the key, so once you insert them you will have to align them with the socket. Also guys, when you replace the bulbs, always wear clean gloves. So we will insert the brake light into the socket, align it like we said, and then push and turn clockwise. The whole assembly goes back in. Again align it, make sure it goes all the way, and then turn clockwise. Don't forget about the insulation, and the cover goes back on. That's it for our bulbs replacement. Thank you guys for watching, we'll see you in the next video.